Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. And in this video, we're going over Savings Highway Global. Okay. It is not only a business in the box, which you could start for only $20, but you do have discounts as well too, hence the name Savings Highway Global. Right? You get to save over $850,000 in hotels and more. All right. You can get access to our legacy travel portal. You'll get our discount portal. Let me just open it up here. So this is what it more or less looks like here for the Legacy Travel Portal. Let me back out here. You also get, like I said, hotel discounts. All right. So you'll get access to that portal. Let me go back out of here. And employee discount portal as well. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the organizational tree. It's a matrix as well too. All right, you got a 3 by 12 force matrix and a 10 level unilevel. And I'm gonna go over the compensation plan. So let me open that up real quick here. Okay, so this is your path to $2,000 a month as a gold member. So remember, gold member is only $20 per month. And this is the power of the matrix. Okay, so on your level 1, you get 2 members. That'll be $10 a month of residual income. Level 2 will be 4 members, and that's $14 a month. All right. Level 3 is you get 8 members, and that's $22 a month. Level 4, you get 16 members, and that's $38 a month. Level 5, and that's $70 per month with 32 members. And level 6 is 64 members. You get $134. Level 7 is $128. I'm sorry, 128 members. You get $262 per month. Level 8 is 256 members, 518, and then level 9, 512 members, and then you get $1,030 in residual income. But keep in mind, like I mentioned, this is on other people's efforts as long as you get your 2. Okay, so we'll go to the next one here, and it just keeps getting deeper and deeper with over 2,400 monthly. Okay, and then this is the platinum. So this is your path to $10,000 monthly, and then we'll just go to the compensation plan here. So your level 1 in your platinum is you get 2 members, $50 a month, and then your level 2 is 4 members, you get $70 per month. All right. So at your level 3, just 8 members gives you $110 per month on that level. Okay. And then your level 4 will get you $190 with 16 members. Okay. And then your level 5 is with just 32 members, you get $350 monthly. Okay. And then your level 6 with 64 members gives you $670. And then your level 7 with 128 members. On your downline, you get $1,310 for your monthly income. And then your level 8, that's going to be over $2,000 a month, okay? With 356 members. And then, let's see, your level 9, that's over $5,000 a month with 512 members. Let me see here. Let me go back here. And then your level 10, that's $10,000, 490 monthly, and with that downline of 1,024 members. And as I mentioned before, this is your efforts and other people's efforts as well too. Okay, so And then the last one is the titanium membership. That's $100.99 per month, but you could possibly get up to $20,000 a monthly revenue in about 10 weeks. Okay, so we're gonna go here. We're gonna go over the compensation plan for this one. Okay, so you'll get your first member in, that's $100. Okay, and then level two, or actually two members, you get your two levels on level one, and that's $100 monthly income. And then your level two is four members, that's $140. And level three, you get eight members on your level three, and that's $220. You get level four, and that's 16 members, you get $380. Okay, so your level five, 32 members, that's $700 per month. Your level six with 64 members, you get $640 a month. I'm sorry, $640 per level. That's $1,340 per month. Okay, so your level seven, that's 128 members, and you'll get $2,620 per month. All right, and then your level eight is $256. I'm sorry, 256 members, and then 256 members in your level, and that's over $5,000 a month for that one. Okay, and then your level nine with 512 members in your organization, that is $10,300 a month. And then your level 10 is over 1,000 members, and then you'll get the 20,980 monthly. Okay, with the 3x12 matrix. All right, so here's it again, going over that. All right, and then titanium executive, refer 10 and go executive. Rank up, refer 10 to increase your earning potential. Earn all 12 levels instead of 10, plus earn 10% matching bonus, matrix bonus, unlimited income potential. All right. And then if you want to know more about this information and the compensation plan, go ahead and click the link. Go ahead and click the link below, and go ahead and get started for only $20. Thank you.